too. I'm cut from a different economy. More than you can chew, hard to swallow me. Forget bullshit, fuck up, mortis, cut them off, big curiosity. How I can I commit to reality? With my third eyes open and I like what I see. Baby, I might be crazy, but I didn't lose it, no, I set it free. I can't ignore what's on the dance floor. Was a rhythm of my heart and it disturbed me, but I still move my feet to slip out of this groove I'm in. Now to roll my boat over the falls and maybe wake up from my dream. Yeah, I'm just a psycho, babe, come and go out my mind. I didn't lose it, babe, there wasn't much to fight. I'm just a psycho, babe, come and go out my mind. I'm only passing through. Hallucinations and lucid dream. And I know that meaning can be such a brave thing to keep, but I got facts and I'm not ready. Something to go with the back, take out the back and make a new front. Some days I'm glad that I am a madman and I'd rather be that than unimpeccable and my man again. But I'm a level-headed, clever than ever, and I'm getting better one forever at a time. And if she gets to find my what's different, well then pull the plug out and be high. Vice versa's for two. And who I am, I choose through all the things I do. And if it rhymes, it's true. But I hate poetry. Now with my moral compass pointing south, I'm going down with no space for reality. I'm just a psycho, babe, come and go out my mind. I didn't lose it, babe, there wasn't much to fight. I'm just a psycho, babe, come and go out my mind. I thought it's passing through, well that was fun, goodbye.
Don't fall! One! Come on, Elise!
Now, I will control the universe, and everyone will be able to watch Splatoon 2 Let's Plays by Eggman! Now get in the fucking room!
Shoot me, you fucking coward. Do it. You won't.
I miss my wife, Tails. I miss her a lot. I'll be back.
Hey, what's up? It's me.
Stop!
I don't know how to impress upon you that physical damage done to my body does not affect me in the long term.
Oh, your friends are here!
We're here to help you, man. With what? I don't know. But I value our friendship.
Jesus Christ, watch out for that son of a bitch.
It's really cute that you're gonna defeat me with the power of friendship and all, but again, I am the devil from the Bible, so I don't know how
You
well it's gonna work.
motherfucker, you didn't let me finish!